Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Mills, and in this video I will be showing you how I wax and pluck my eyebrows. If you would like to see my process on how I clean up my eyebrows, stay tuned to the end of the video.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, love be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
I am now finished cleaning up my eyebrows. I did have to go back to clean up the shape a little bit, to my desired look. But I truly hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.